Welcome to the Mastering Ecg Interpretation Workshop. The purpose of this workshop is to make learning of Ecg interpretation a fun and exciting activity. My objective is to teach the basic and the most important concepts that are crucial for Ecg analysis and eventually the correct management of patients. Who this course is for? This course is directed at doctors in training as well as medical, nursing, and paramedical students. It is also useful for senior doctors who would like to refresh their knowledge of ECG interpretation. A bit about myself. I am an emergency physician working in United Kingdom. As part of my job, I interpret ECGs and act on the findings on daily basis. In addition, I have worked in the cardiology center for a few years in the past, and cardiology is my favorite subject. I am passionate about teaching, and I hope by attending this workshop and participating in the quizzes, you become confident in ECG analysis and initiate the right treatment. First video is dedicated to teach the most essential concepts and lay the foundation of systematic approach in ECG interpretation. Subsequent videos and quizzes would be mostly based on real-life scenarios I come across in my daily practice or of my colleagues. I've also used ECGs available in public domain for this workshop. The most essential qualities for learning new skills are enthusiasm, patience, and practice. As for the practice is concerned, you will have plenty of opportunities in this workshop to do the quizzes and hone your skills. I wish you good luck in this journey. See you in the next video.